Good morning, all of you. Myself, Ajay Meena, nursing tutor of Index Nursing College. Today's my topic renal calculi. आज अपन बात करेंगे renal calculi के बारे में. First, introduction. Introduction. Kidney stone, also called renal calculi, nephrolitis or urothilysis, are hard deposits made of mineral and salts that form inside your kidneys. Diet, exercise, body weight, some medical condition, and certain supplements and medication are among the many causes of kidney stone. रिनल कैलकुलाई होता है किडनी स्टोन. सेकेंड स्लाइड में अपन देखेंगे डेफिनेशन. Renal calculi are a common causes of blood in the urine, hematuria, and pain in the abdomen, flank, or groin. They occur in 1 in 11 people at some time in their lifetimes, which with men affected 2 to 1 over woman. रिनल कैलकुलाई क्या होता है? ये मोस्टली इसमें ब्लड में यूरिन में ब्लड का आना, हेमेचूरिया एंड पेन यानी एब्डोमेन होना, फ्लैंक. नेक्स्ट अपन देखो स्लाइड. इसमें स्ट्रक्चर में देखेंगे स्टोन. फर्स्ट ब्लेडर, यूरेटर, स्टोन्स, किडनी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज टाइप्स. कैलकुलाई स्टोन. टाइप्स. Calcium stones. Most kidney stones are calcium stones, usually in the form of calcium oxide. Oxygen is a substance made daily by your liver or absorbed from your diet. Certain fruits and vegetables, as well as nuts and chocolate, have high oxalate contents. Second, dietary factors. High doses of vitamin D, intentional bypass surgery, and several metabolic disorders can increase the concentration of calcium or oxalate in urine. Calcium stones may also occur in the form of calcium phosphate. This type of stone is more common in metabolic conditions such as a renal tubular acidosis. It may also be associated with certain medication used to treat migraines or seizure, such as topiramate, Topamax, Trokendi, XR, Quedi XR. फिर स्ट्रोवाइड स्टोन. स्ट्रोवाइड स्टोन क्या होता है? स्ट्रोवाइड स्टोन्स फॉर्म इन response to a urinary tract infection. This stone can grow quickly and become quite large, sometimes with a few symptoms or little warning. फिर uric acid stones. Uric acid stones can form in people who are lose too much fluid because of chronic diarrhea or malabsorption, those who eat a high protein diet, and those with diabetes or metabolic syndrome. Certain Genetic factor also may increase your rise of uric acid stones. Four number of types. Cystine stone. Cystine stone. This stone form in people with a hereditary disorder called cystinuria that cause the kidney to excrete too much of a specific amino acid. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. कॉजेस. अब रीनल कैलकुलाई की अपन स्लाइड. नेक्स्ट अपन देखेंगे कॉसेस. कॉसेस में फर्स्टली फैमिली और पर्सनल हिस्ट्री. फर्स्ट अपन फैमिली और पर्सनल हिस्ट्री लेंगे. इफ सम इन यूर फैमिली हैज़ हैड किडनी स्टोन्स यू आर more likely to develop stones too. If you already had one or more kidney stones you are at increased risk of developing another. फिर डिहाइड्रेशन. क्या होता है डिहाइड्रेशन? पानी नहीं पीने की वजह से भी किडनी स्टोन होता है. Not drinking enough water each day can increase your rise of kidney stone. People who live in warm, dry climates and those who sweat a lot may be at higher risk than others. Certain diets. Eating a diet uh, that's high in protein, sodium, salt, and sugar may increase your risk of some types of kidney stones. This is especially true with a high sodium diet. Too much salt in your diet increase the amount of calcium your kidney must filter and significant increases your risk of kidney stone. Obesity. High body mass index BMI. Body mass index. Large waist size and weight gain have been linked to an increased risk of kidney stone. Next, digestive disease and surgery. Gastric bypass surgery, inflammatory bowel disease or chronic diarrhea can cause changes in the digestive process that affect your absorption of calcium and water, increasing the amounts of stone forming substance in your urine. Next slide. Pathophysiology. Pathophysiology. Firstly, renal lymphatic system drains renal pelvis. फिर secondly आता है prevents accretion and aggregation of prescription salts kidney. Next, mutilation of obliteration of renal lymphatics salt prescriptis. Next, big concentration passes through the lymph vessels. Next, constriction grind down the surrounding member, eventually causing. Next, urine percolation. Next, invariable contact with the salt and other organic substance in the urine. Next, develop into large renal stones. नेक्स्ट अपन देखेंगे सिम्टम्स. सीवियर. फर्स्ट, सीवियर शार्प पेन इन द साइड एंड बैक बिलो द रिब्स. नेक्स्ट, पेन दैट radiates to the lower abdomen and groin. Pain that comes in view and pain or burning sensation while urinating. Other signs and symptoms may include pink, red और ब्राउन यूरिन, यूरिन में पिंक और रेड पन होना, क्लाउडली और फॉल स्मेलिंग यूरिन, यूरिन में से स्मेल होना, अ प्रेजेंट नीड टू यूरिनेटिंग मोर ऑफ्टन देन यूजुअल और यूरिनेटिंग इन स्मॉल अमाउंट्स, मतलब कम अमाउंट में यूरिन, नोजिया एंड वॉमिटिंग होना, फीवर एंड चिल्स इफ एन इन्फेक्शन is present. Diagnostic evaluation: blood test for calcium, phosphorus, uric acid and electrolytes, blood urea nitrogen, bun bun blood urea nitrogen and creatine to assess kidney functioning. Next, urine urinalysis to check for crystals, bacteria, blood and white cells. Examination of past stone to determine their types. Next, the following test can rule out obstruction. Next, abdominal X-ray, intravenous pyelogram, IVP. फिर नेक्स्ट रेट्रोग्रेड पाइलोग्राम, नेक्स्ट अल्ट्रासाउंड ऑफ किडनी, द परफेक्ट टेस्ट, प्रीफेयर्ड टेस्ट, MRI स्कैन ऑफ द एब्डोमेन एंड किडनी, एब्डोमिनल CT स्कैन. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, मेडिकल मैनेजमेंट. अपन इसका मेडिकल मैनेजमेंट कैसे करेंगे. एलोपिरिनल xyloprine of for uric acid stones, thiazide diuretic to prevent calcium stone from forming, फिर सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट और सोडियम सिट्रेट to make the urine less acidic. फिर नेक्स्ट phosphorus solution to prevent calcium stones from forming, ibuprofen, Advil for pain, acetaminophen, Tylenol for pain, naproxen sodium, Aleve for pain. Next slide, surgical management. Shock view, lithotripsy, second ureteroscopy, URS, and percutaneous nephrolithotomy, PNL. Next slide, prevention. You can sustain ginger ale, lemon, lime, soda and fruit juice for water to help you increase your fluid intake. If the stones are related to low citrate level, citrate juices could help prevent the formation of stones. Eating exhalated rich foods in moderation and reducing your intake of salt and animal proteins can also lower your risk of kidney stone. Next, your doctor may prescribe medication to help prevent the formation of calcium and uric acid stones. If you had kidney stone or you are at risk for a kidney stone, speak with your doctor and discuss the best method of prevention. Next, thank you.